Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Suti Golpo. So recently I went to Sibsagar to meet few of my friends, and from there we went for short road trips to parts of Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Well, the thing is, as I am very new in making travel videos, I keep on forgetting to record many parts of my journeys. So once I came back home, I went through all the clips to check if I can make any videos to show you. Luckily, I will be able to make a couple of videos from these clips, and today I will take you to this beautiful viewpoint in Nagaland.
Oh, কি খবৰ? কেটা পালে?
কালি আহিছো
The viewpoint we are traveling to is located in a small village in Nagaland called Kangtsung village in Mokokchung district. The easiest way to reach the village from Assam is to enter Nagaland gate from Haluating. Traveling through this beautiful road for around 18 kilometers from the gate, there is a town called Tuli. Just before entering the town, we have to take the left, and there will be a sign as well which will guide you towards the village. From here onwards, you have to keep going uphill to reach the viewpoint. On the way, you will be crossing this beautiful village which is called Wamagan. Well, if you are lucky, you might get a special welcome like this as well. This tower is called Sentimeren Memorial Tower, which was made by a family from the village in memory of one of their family members, and is now maintained by the village people. Many people also call it as Kangtsung Tower. The tower is beautifully made into different parts with sitting arrangements in all of them. You can feel the wind blowing here all the time, which is mild some day and can be very strong on another. From this side of the tower, you can view parts of Assam as well. The wind was on the stronger side that day and I could hardly manage very few shots from my drone. My friends told me the sunset from this point is very beautiful as well. As we had some other work, we couldn't wait for the sunset. We were here for around 3 hours, had a good time enjoying the view, and then it was time for us to go back. Passing through the beautiful tea gardens of Assam during sunset is a beautiful experience as well. Well, that's all for today's video. Do follow us on Instagram and you can DM us if you want to know more details about this place. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.